Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Scorpios. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation. If you want more clarity, guys, Scorpios, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, let's see what are these cards. We have Lovers, Lady of Suns, and Five of Suns in reverse. So, Scorpios, in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are really confident, cheerful about certain things, guys. Maybe you have found someone you love this person, and you feel that they are the right one for you. And you are happy about the way things are going, really happy, cheerful, because you have found someone you love, someone interesting. And maybe in your career situation, guys, you have great opportunities opening for you, opportunities for success, opportunities to use your skills and talents to a greater potential. So you are happy for it, happy for these opportunities right in front of you, and it is taking you towards your dreams and goals, whatever plans you may have for yourself, guys. And there are people helping you. Maybe there is this person, it may be a woman, it may be your friend or a sibling or your parent. So they are a greatest inspiration for you, Scorpios, and this person is guiding you, helping you, and you feel really happy to have such a person in your life because they are a very reliable and trustworthy friend you have, and you are communicating to them whatever you need, maybe even smaller things. You just speak to them and ask their counsel or guidance, and that is helping you. Maybe in this relationship, this person may be even the person you love. So you both have a deep bond, a great, understanding, great compatibility with each other. There is mutual love, respect, and caring, and you are extremely happy to have this person in your life. Happy, feeling really blessed to have them in your life, guys. And maybe you are feeling really proud, and this may be your energy, guys, or your person's energy. Maybe they are really proud of you because you are someone, a beautiful person, beautiful character, and they simply love you for that, guys. So for you, we picked one card for your relationship. So it is Nine of Suns in reverse, guys. So with this card in your situation, this person is really loving and caring, but if you want to make some important decisions for yourself, maybe you are thinking of a long-term commitment, marriage, maybe you should give it more time, more thought, guys. This may not be the right time. That is what I see with this card for your relationship, this card, guys. So you must take your own time if you want marriage or if you are thinking of engagement. So for your career situation, Scorpios, we picked one card and it is Page of Suns in reverse. So in your work situation, guys, we were seeing confidence and happiness, cheerfulness, but with this card it just means that you must be careful with someone. So maybe there is someone suggesting you certain choices you need to make in your work, but if you feel that you cannot trust this person, you should not listen to them, guys. They may lead you into some difficult circumstances, so you must be careful. You must give it a thought again, the similar energy, just like your relationship. Even in your work, if you are making some important decisions, you must think it through, guys. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Scorpios, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, please stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, Scorpio. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. So I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card for you all. For those who chose this first card, it is Apache Tears. It's a Crystal Spirits card, guys. So with this card, the energy is that in your situation, maybe you have too much sadness in your heart. You are thinking of your past person, your past love. So whatever happened, whatever the circumstances were, and it is simply weighing you down. So today you need to heal from that, guys. Heal from that negative situation. So rejection, sadness is a form of a divine blessing, guys. So one day you will be able to see this circumstance with a different set of eyes. So you will have a more clearer vision, the reason why things went in such a way, and what was the benefit or what you achieved with that sadness and rejection you are feeling today. So in your future, you will be able to see what unexpected gifts these stressful, sad times have given you, guys. You will realize that very soon. But with this card, this Crystal Spirit card asks you to keep your heart open, so that you live more fully, more lovingly, and more meaningfully from now onwards, guys. So whatever has happened has happened. So there is no way of changing it, but you can change your present and your future. So goodness is coming your way, happiness is coming your way, and your beautiful destiny is waiting to unfold. All you need to do is clear that negativity you have in yourself, release the past, wash away the old with the tears. Maybe you feel like crying, you just cry it out and release all that sadness and stress you feel. So you no longer need to hold on to these old emotions. That is not going to help you in any way, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it says beyond the threshold of fear. So, in your circumstances, guys, you have some kind of a self imposed barrier of fear, something holding you back from moving forward. So, you are in that mindset, you want to take that big leap forward. You no longer want to be controlled by this fear. You no longer want to hold yourself back for this fear, and you no longer want to be the victim. You want to move forward in your life. Maybe in this relationship you have some fears, that is the reason holding you back, holding you from making that big step. But you are moving towards that big step, guys. You need not worry, because you are moving forward towards that, and you are going to feel so happy, free, just like flying, and you are going to feel that freedom, and you can trust in the vision you have, and fear is not going to hinder your vision, and it's not going to obstruct the way you see the truth. So you must give up this fear you have in your circumstance towards something. So that is what is pulling you back, weighing you down, holding you to a particular situation, and you feel that you are bound, and you are no longer you have that energy to move out. But today you have that confidence and courage in your heart to dispel all this fear and move forward in life, guys. So that is what I see. So you are going to be absolutely free, and you are going to have a clear vision what needs to be done in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in this relationship, and there is no more darkness for you, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.